Okay, when you drive here, this clunking noise from the back of your vehicle. Okay, I'm in the bottom of the car, and this is the bolt that holding the shock, rear shock on the passenger side. And I noticed that this is loose somehow. Let me see. You see it? It a lot play in it. Get the sound, the rattle. There's so much play, it rattle when I drive the little bump. So I need some kind of bushing something to what's called take care of this looseness on this bolt. But I cannot find anything in the market. So I have to make something to take care of this problem. Okay, see if I can find it right here. Wire. I bought this tiny wire from the Dollar Tree for $1. Rollable wire. And then what I'm trying to do is put this wire inside the hole to fill the hole maybe, and then you're not gonna rattle anymore. So if I made a good piece of wire, cut it. Okay, right here. Okay, this thin wire I cut from the Dollar Tree, about $1. As you see, I put a couple of them on both sides. One, or a couple of them here, a couple of them here between the bolt and body of the truck. That way, this bolt is not rattle anymore. As you see it, I have a couple of them on both sides. It's not stop rattling because I put this wire inside the hole, the gap. Like this. So all the hole is filled with the wire. So this bolt is not rattle anymore. So you can, I hope it will stop rattle and not driving on little bump anymore. So I think I did fix the problem. This bolt from the rear shock is not rattle anymore, as you see it. Because I put the little wire on both sides. Basically, I can't find the bushing for it, so I put a little wire surround the hole between the bolt, so fill the gap. so it's not rattle anymore. So it will not rattle when I'm driving this van. Okay, see, it's not rattle anymore. Okay, this is how I finished the fix the rattle clunking, the noise from the back of my van, and put some wire between the body of the van and the bolt. Take care of the looseness so it will not rattle anymore. Okay, you see the wire? I put it between the bolt and then body of the van. There will no rattle anymore. Okay. Okay, this is a rear shock. Okay, I fixed the rattle clunking noise problem. See, no more clunking, rattle sound anymore. So the wire, I put the wire between the shock bolt and body of this vehicle work, because I take care of the looseness on between the bolt and body. As you see, no more rattle noise anymore.